Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make planty contents, and today's video is gonna be unpacking a PR package that I received recently, and this is Homi, a gardening tool, a Korean gardening tool to be precise, and this is available on Amazon, and I will be doing a review on it on this video. And if you're interested in knowing how this product is, stay tuned. So the package was delivered to me by delivery courier services, and it was packed well. Since the tool is sort of a little pointed towards the edges, and also it's sharp, so be careful while unpacking it. And here I am removing all the bubble wrap that came along with the package. So as you can see here, that the handle is made of wood and it's written made in Korea, and this tool is in the size medium. It's very light and it serves multiple purposes, and since it's light it does not hurt the wrist while working, and it also has a sharp edge, and so you can remove those difficult roots, weed roots that are there. And it is also used for tilling the soil, so if you have a small garden, this will help you. Instead of using multiple tools, one tool will help. And it also serves the purpose of collecting the soil wherever you have tilled. And yeah, I think this serves as a very useful tool in the garden, and this is my overall take on this. I think it is quite reasonable because it serves multiple purposes. And if you're interested in buying this tool, I'll leave the link of the product in my description box. It's available on Amazon and it's available in different sizes, so you can go check it out. So yeah, this was the video review of this Korean Homi gardening tool, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing for more such planty contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.